Okay. So whatever we had discussed in the previous bootstrap, how we can design navigation bar, input field, then we can take form different scenario. Now be one more time be going with the carousel. Can anyone explain what is the use of this one? Already we had seen, but one time I will go again. What is the use of carousel and where we will use in the real scenario? Yeah, anyone? Hello?
Sir, generating the pictures.
Yeah, yeah.
Marketing
Go on.
purpose we will.
Yeah, what purpose?
So for marketing and purpose we will use this type
Okay,
for
next.
soul. Displaying different thing.
Next, anyone? That's fine. That's also correct. No issue.
Sir, according to me, we use this on the home page if we are going to design a website, just to decorate and show hmm, some image related to our website.
Fine. Anyone more? That
Sir,
also correct.
related to the website image.
Fine. So actually, when we be using this one, yeah,
Images for
yeah, go
exploring
ahead. One.
like
Okay, correct. Next, anything more? Okay, fine. That's correct. Whatever everyone told, that's fine. So suppose when we going to design our website, okay. So on the top, what you want to attract the user when they are looking first time on your website, correct? So that time, what we will do, we will add somewhat navigation bar, means not navigation bar, just to go with normal. We will add some banner image, as everybody is doing that, correct or not? Be adding banner image for representing our website, a product or whatever means purpose of the websites it is. So, so in the navigation, so in the case of Carsol, what we will do, we will add that banner image itself, but it will be not static. Okay, it will do somewhat task. Already we had discussed regarding the code, but one more time I will go, and this time you will explain the code. Okay, that image. Where is that? 1 second. Target demo hash fine. Let it to be this one. Sorry. Yeah, I have to complete this bootstrap. Amardeep, actually we had started at 30 itself. Okay. When you had came that time itself.
Yes, sir. No issue, sir. Sorry.
No, for you all, I was waiting actually. It's not an issue. You had not missed the class. That's I telling. So see what we had done here. This due to the small size of the image, it's coming like that. But if we want, let it to be, it's not an issue. So what you getting here? Here in this place, the 3 image that will come alternate means on some duration. These all image will come as like when I clicking this. So see, we getting some images. Okay, so it coming is here. Some icon is there. Wait, how we can increase? Let's go with somewhat width.
Sir, in this also,
One.
if you can take the cursor in left, right side, the cursor side photo will change.
Where are you telling?
Sir, the previous side only. If you go to the right side, photo right
Right
side.
side. Yeah.
Yeah. So it is
Just wait.
transparent. That's why it is not visible.
Yeah, yeah. I increasing that height and width. Then it will be just wait. Let's me somewhat.
Sir, how?
Hmm.
How you calculate, sir?
I not calculating, just blindly I putting some value. Who is sending mail this time? Excel required. Okay, so now what we are looking, we getting three binary images. Okay, and these all image coming at the some interval. Okay, but when you will click this icon, so see this, on clicking of that, we again getting that previous image or next image like that. So how this working? This working with the help of what is the class name? What is the class name?
Carsoul.
Class name is
Carousel.
Carousel Inner. Whatever you can spell, carousel, I think. So carousel inner, but go on the top. So what we had taken on the top div,
So
we had taken,
it's called
yeah,
carousel, sir.
yeah, carousel, yeah, correct. So we had taken the class a carousel, and here we had taken some slide class that's related to be one is a data ride, data hyphen ride, that carousel. Then again means all time it's no need to remember a single line, single class. Okay, but slowly when we will get means somewhat like button and these all become popular, so we getting those all means directly it will keep in our mind because that's simple. So that's why, but terms we have to remember, design we have to remember, then only we can modify, and who is playing main role, then only we will get idea. So first we had to get that one, then data right was there. Then inside data right, then again something is passed. This is not any what you can tell CSS or that thing. Maybe this is a JavaScript and those property, different like that. So what it going to do, it will going to combine, as like in previous we had seen data something was there for adding another section. What was that? Can anyone? I had forget that name, but some data dot target, I think. Something like that. With the help of that, what we doing, we are correlating each other. Okay, so here with the ul and li, what we had passed, we again pass the class carousel and indicators, and here we had passed li. Where this li is available actually, can anyone, where this li is coming,
The list.
where is that list? Can anyone tell me? This li, whatever we getting here, can you tell me where we getting on our ui?
Sir, image, sir.
Slide, sir.
No, not image.
Slide.
See this one, underline 3 is there, na? This is small, this one. So let's see. I will add this 3 again, means 2, 3, yeah, okay. Now see how much it came. Had you seen? Now it becomes 6. Got it? So that is the thing. But image is same as usual as previous. But now due to that 3 times more, that's why we got. There is one class active. Okay. Due to class active, it will show by default when the page will load. See, this is active. This is white color. That is the thing due to class active. So which one you want, you can make that. So inside UL and LI, be passing that underline a scroll bar. And here again, we are passing data target. Where is that? Hash demo. Hash demo in the sense, where is this class? This referring to the parent. Correct. So it referring to the parent. So whenever we will click that, it referring to the parent and it will scroll like that. Okay. So next, carousel inner. Inside inner, what we had done, we taken one div where the active means a carousel items and active. Active means what? Again, same thing. Which image have to load first? So that due to the active, it is representing that image. Clear. Next, here inside we pass the image tag. Nothing is there in this case. So same type. What we had done, we had passed all. Now I not want only 3 image. I want more image. What you will do? You will just copy paste this content to the bottom and change this image. So what you thinking, whether we got the image or not? So this image came, but where is this scroll bar? Bottom square bar, whatever a scroll is there, this indicator. How we will get that indicator? Because total 4 images. Correct. Shivani Kumari, can you tell me? Now see, we have now 3 image. 3 scroll bar, this underline, that's fine. Now just look over the image. This image is second, this is third image. This become again first image. Fine. Now I going to add one more image. Now it become 4 image. 4 image means 4 scroll bar should be. Now just check, see, 1, 2 image. This become third, this become 4. So where is this fourth scroll bar? See, is there or not?
No, sir. We
put Shivani?
No, sir. We put ally again.
Yeah, so where, which line number?
Line number 24. 23
Okay, means
after.
okay,
Yeah,
fine. Wait one.
copy
Okay.
paste.
Tell me where I have to change this line and what I have to change.
Sir, in place of 2,
3.
take
Yes,
3.
sir.
Okay, this one we have to change 3. Fine.
Okay.
So let's see. So means when we will click this, it have to got the last one. So see, we got the last image. When you clicking that particular, it targeting that image. Got it? So this way, the main motto behind that, how we have to modify that we have to know. Then only we can add more and more as per requirement. Got it or not? Anyone having any issue? Then again, same thing like previous and next, again it doing the same thing. So we have to learn how we can modify, we can take and we can modify according to our need. That is the main motto behind learning this CSS framework, whatever framework we are learning. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Here, if you want more explanation regarding each line, you can go with this. But I'm not thinking this not required. No, you can. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Now, suppose you want to write something on the image. You can go with this. Whatever is there, you can check and how they had written. Okay. Then again, class name is something, Karjol at item. Then inside image means we had passed the image tag and alt attribute is there. That's fine. After this, what we had done, we had passed one div. Okay. Then it will work. Karjol inner, Karjol item. Then okay. Means here we had passed. Let's see. Let's see this. We getting, yeah, we got that. So see, what we had done, we had just pass that text means whatever element we want, we passed that one and image become on the top. Then automatic we got that section. But due to top madding means margin, we not getting
Height,
that
sir. You
section.
can pass height, sir.
Okay, otherwise you just be taking that padding margin.
Increase. Yeah, yeah.
MT5. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. In image section that is.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Not an issue.
That is important.
If we will increase the image height, it will work. That's fine. So let it to be not an issue. So anyone having any issue? Now tell me. Had you
Yes,
got
sir.
it? If you be, yeah, if you will got that means to add Karajol inside your website. So I think now you can do this one. Correct? Okay. So these two things were there. That's it. Now next is the model. Now you have to tell me where we can use in the real scenario. And this is important actually, because whenever you will work on any website, okay, you will get this concept too much. Means mostly we are using this thing. If you will work on any project, sure and short, you will get this. 2 underscore modal model dot html. Fine. optional. What we had written? Oh, sorry. Where we can use this model? Anyone having any idea? Model means what you getting? Pop-up alert. I had shown you alert. Just go with that alert. That day we had shown you in the JavaScript alert. Where we can use the alert? Any idea? I think everybody
Yeah,
is
sir.
sleeping.
No, sir.
When you submit the form, it's showing some your form is submitted or submitted. Yeah, some remaining data.
Who is speaking?
Dharmender, sir.
Oh, I thought some news reporter is just speaking, like that sound was coming. Who all had taken dinner?
Sir, me, sir.
You taken, okay. Approach taken, okay, because you all were coming from party. That's fine. What about others?
Sir, me.
Sir, not got time,
Okay.
sir.
Oh, Amardeep, can't do anything for you. Sorry. What about others? Nobody taken dinner.
No,
So
sir.
Sir, I am
vegetarian,
also
no?
taken.
You taken.
Sir,
Okay.
Vidya.
Okay, Vidya. So see, these all guy
I
who had
didn't, sir.
taken.
I didn't.
Okay, so these all guy who taken dinner, they not speaking a single line because they all are sleeping. That's why this college girl, they are sleeping just because they taken dinner. Now they're thinking this is cold climate. So just why we will speak? It's better keep silent. If they have to go in party, then they will not think regarding 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. They will be jump.
No, sir.
Okay, so suppose that we taken model. When we will use, just I will go on the real scenario also. First go on through the design. So when we clicking, we got something like this way. Okay, wait 1 second. Yeah, so something like this way. So here, like something you can pass model heading, then here model body, then here close button. When you will click on close button, it will go on. There is another one more option to closing this. By clicking on this one also close. One more option. Third option, when you will click outside on any screen, you will get close this one. Click this. Okay. Now go through the real use and where you will. So suppose that you had submitted any registration form or any form. Okay. So what you will get there, you can design this one. And suppose this form, this is not belonging to your, what I can tell you. Okay. Wait.
Sir, we can use like bottom, sir.
Button.
Yeah. We use
No.
submit the form pop-up that.
Yeah, that itself that I doing. Wait 1 second. Let me design one form. Already we had designed form somewhere. Wait, in CSS, I think bootstrap, CSS heading. No, this is image float. This also navigation bar, HTML, CSS. Let it to be. Approach, don't worry, I will not ask you form.
Now I can give answer, sir. No problem.
Oh, see a full confidence. Okay. So here I taken two field and I going to take this button. Okay, and submit, submit. That's fine. That came fine. Next. Yeah, take this div. It's fine. 1 second. Oops. Okay. Where is inline? White coming in line. Where is that class? Form control ID container form row. Why this
So we
coming
can
in
make
line?
a block.
Block. Where I have to take? Yellow CK. No, something Baj name I think.
Sir,
Form row,
breadcrumb.
sir. That's why.
What?
Form
Breadcrumb, sir.
row, sir. I think that's why.
Breadcrumb not on. So let it to be.
So form
I
row.
will add. Yeah, something Baj there.
Yes.
Form row, sir. You can use form
Form.
row, class form row.
Let it to be. I added break BR. Why it not working BR? Sure,
Because,
somewhere.
sir,
Yeah,
one
it is
time you
strict.
remove, sir, a form row, sir.
I think yeah, it came. No man, previous was at least looking good design. Okay, let it to be. So now see, what you're thinking here, we got two field. One is submit button. When you will click submit, how you want the model, what all data will be available on the model when you submitting any registration form, what you will show. Can anyone? If you submitting any form, what message you want to display for the user?
Submitted successful, sir.
Fine.
Thank you for registering.
Registration. Yeah. Thanks for registration. THANKS. Thanks. Is this spelling correct? Thanks. Yeah, Vidya, you were telling something.
Same thing, sir.
IGISTRT. Okay. Thanks for registration. Okay. Next, time, let it to be model heading. Remove this. What I can tell. INFORMATION. FORMATION information. Fine. Close. Let it to be. Now save. Now see. If you not feeling that anything, not an issue. Now it will work anyway. But later they will do this thing dynamically. Okay. But now when you clicking this, what happened? Information. Thanks for registration. So this way mostly we are using the means a model pop-up for showing some information. Suppose that you have to show number of a student. I mean say like if you had done any test and at that time you have to show some marks. Means you have to display that marks. How you will display and what are the details you will pass there? Tell me. On the header, what are the things you will pass?
You score it like that, sir. Result.
Yeah. Okay. Go with right like that result. Okay. Next.
You scored score, sir. What your score?
You SCORED scored 50, 95 out of
Out of
100. Okay. So when we clicking, it will came like this way. So this way we can show somewhat information. Now see, in the top header will be always like bold, correct? So due to that, here we had used title something like that. That's why it become bold. Whatever section in the body, it is normal text. You want to add that if you want to add background image or anything here itself, if you want to add image icon something, you can add that, not an issue. Then next is the close button. Here outside if you clicking, it will also get close. Okay, so let's go on the code how it's came. We had taken one just button already, everybody know that, but there is something here also, we will come later, but let's move on the model one. So here what we had taken one class name is a model. So whenever you, if anybody telling you to add model, you have to think directly, your mind have to hit on this design. Okay, model means this one. So here we had taken class equal to model. After that one class we had taken, that is model dialog. Fine. Next class we had taken, see the div section itself. This we taken model content. Inside model content there are three sections. One is a model header. See the class is model header. Next is the body and the next is the footer. As like which one? Where we had used header, body, footer.
Table, sir.
body, sir.
Table, fine. Others in bootstrap case.
Yeah, sir, that card is there, no, sir.
Card, fine. Card, then one more. Table. In table case also we had used, table be used, card be used. Now it is it in the model. So in model, what we are doing, we are passing three different section. Suppose you not want a header, what you will do? Just comment out this code and let's save and let's see what data you getting. Now header is not there, only body is there and footer is there. If you not want footer also, remove this section, means just comment out and save. And now see, you got this section only. But where is the button? Clickable button. Clickable button is not there. But when you will click outside, it will got my point. So this way we can modify. So there are three sections. In three section, be done like that way. Okay. Next, now the icon of the cross button. So go one by one. Wait 1 second. Class we had taken here modal dialog. That's fine. Then this for content. Or it's okay. Then we taken something like a header. Then see here. We had taken model title. Already we had written inside H4. Due to H4, it become bold. Fine. And they be taken model title. H4, due to H4, it will be like block level element. But here we make that like inline or whatever it's came, but it like normal. But due to the class model title, some design came and that's looking good and it came on the top section. Okay. Next, we added a button. In button, we taken class type, type equal to button and class equal to close. So is there any need of this class close? What are you thinking? There is no need, but what we had done just be taken regarding the design, because if you will not pass this class close, how you looking that this button will come? Now see, where is this button? Now you have to tell me. Okay, where is that button appearing? Where is that button? Bottom one or top right side?
Sir, cross one.
This cross one. Cross one is due to that one, because see the icon, something HTML code is written there. Correct? So due to that, that button we are getting. Next question. Just 1 second. Type equal to, okay. Let's remove this class and let's see. Okay. Now see, the button came like that way. That came how? Due to this one, dollar times. Okay. Because if you will pass this dollar times anywhere, let's see what it's coming. So see, this cross symbol came. Okay. And this button is coming due to that one. So due to this close, due to close class, that whatever round means right side, left side border is there, that removed and normal came. Okay, that's fine. Then yeah, one more thing, just wait. Remove this data dismiss equal to model and let's see what it's going to do. So see. Yeah. So see now, if you clicking outside, it's going to remove. But if you clicking on this cancel, now it's not going to close. Okay. But this close button, it's working fine. So let it to be due to this data dismiss model. It not get there. That's why it's not getting dismiss. Okay. So this clear. Then model body, it's normal, nothing is there. Then in case of footer, again, it's nothing is there. Just again, data dismiss model for the closing that model purpose. Okay. Now, 1 second. Yeah. Then one more question. How this one, okay? How this model, complete model, and how this button both are going to interlink? Got my point? How this complete button, because when we clicking on this submit button, how this model is opening, how that model is triggering, means how this button is knowing that I have to open that model. How? Can anyone? Because we had discussed this thing too much. In drop down case, we had discussed.
By data toggle or data target, by both these things.
See, In case of data target, has my model is there, and see line number 42, ID is there, my model.
Yes, sir.
So due to this one, both are targeting each other. So let's do one thing. Remove this. What happened? Scroll. Anybody have idea how to reduce this? Dharmender, you have idea how to reduce this one? It came in full screen.
So double click
Double click, sir. Yeah.
Where?
anywhere on the top.
No, it
No,
making
sir.
new file.
On the front side.
See, it make new file.
Sir, yes.
Close all. It will close all.
No, sir. No, sir. Oh, no, sir. I have not idea regarding this.
One more day, the same thing had happened. Then I had to close this editor itself. I don't know which button had clicked and then it came. Okay. So due to that submit button, when we clicking on submit, due to ID, okay, it making target. Yeah. Okay. So see, where is that? Okay. So data target equal to has my model. Let's remove this. Otherwise, do one thing. Let it to be my model. I rename this value. Okay. Yeah, my model, I renamed the value, and let's see what is happening here now, whether it targeting that model or not. So you will see that it not targeting that model because we had renamed the data target, but we had not changed the case of ID. In case of ID, it is same. That's why it will not target that section. Okay, there is one option how to means see how many type we had dismissed that top means say when we clicking, if we click on close, it going to close. If we clicking on this one, if we clicking on this one, it will close. But I not want if you clicking outside means except these two button, then I not want to dismiss this as like now. How we can? Any idea? Because already we had given button. I not want that if we clicking outside to close this model. How I can? Any idea? Anyone have? Hello? Who had used Bootstrap previously? Anyone? So see, now I had done data target has means I had renamed the value. I had changed the value. And if I clicking on this now, see, now it's not targeting. Now check the error in the console, what error we are getting there. So maybe I don't know whether we will get error or not. So let's see. We getting any error. One user warning is there, no error. One user info is there, no error is there. Okay, means error we not getting. Let it to be, but in not targeting because we had changed the value of the data target hash my model. Let's remove this one and save. And now just wait. Let it to be. Can you search in Google? Hello. Search and tell me the code. Search in Google and tell me code. You know the question? Hello. How many
Yes,
of
sir.
you are? How many of you is with
No, sir.
laptop? How many you of with Okay, how many with mobile?
Sir, laptop with me.
Laptop, sir.
Amardeep, how many laptop with you? 2 laptop.
Yes, sir. 2 laptop, 1 mobile.
See, what you have to search? You have to search that. See, listen to the question first. I clicked on the submit button. Model pop-up gap open. Okay. When I clicking on cancel this button it going to close. But when I clicking outside this button, that time also model is closing. I not want to close when it is outside. When I clicking outside, I not want to close. Can you search in Google and let's see who is getting what answer. Okay, had you got or not?
Sir, searching.
What is
Sir.
my question? Yeah, so let's search. I is stopping my screen sharing. I will also search. Let's see who is giving what answer. Who is raising hand? Sweta, yeah, tell me. Had you got answer? Sweta is too fast. Sweta. Okay, let's start search.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Let's see who is giving answer. I also forget actually that what class I was adding. I will check everybody answer. Don't think one will give. No, I will check all member. Okay. Because now we have to learn how to search in Google also. That's why. Who is this? Dharmender. Dharmender, don't share your answer. Okay.
Sir, मिल गया sir. How got it, sir?
Which one? What is that?
Sir, there is one mask closable equal to false. We have to do, I think, in model by using has my model. We have to make a backdrop static and keyboard false.
Okay.
It is JavaScript code, not the.
No, I not want a JavaScript code. I want Bootstrap code.
Yeah, got that also, sir. Yeah, got, sir.
Okay. Wait. What about others? Let's go one by one.
Sir.
Yeah, Proj, what are you telling? Had you got?
Searching is going on, sir.
Searching is going on. Mission on success. Carry on, carry on.
Dharmendra has copy pasted the answer in chat box, same which he got.
Dharmender, delete your answer from there. Delete fast. Dharmender, had you deleted? Because this
Yes,
lady
sir. Yes, sir.
lady department had taken dinner. Okay, they are already very lazy. Shivani, tell your answer. No, she will not speak. See.
सर बहुत सारा कोड आ गया सर
Oh my God.
टेक ओवर प्रोसेस
Okay, means you can't able to find. Correct.
dialog dot data dot fed
Sir,
in
he did not tell that, sir. He is not able to find.
Yeah.
She will tell, ये मिल गया.
Okay, so what about Shivani Kumari? Had you got answer?
सर
Yeah.
yes sir
Shivani
sir
Kumari.
hash my model prevent scrape
sir.
model and use false and backdrop static.
Means whatever you telling, I can't getting. Whether it will work or not, that's it will depend on God. Let it to be. I got your answer. Okay.
I got,
Strap
sir.
Ask.
model. Yes.
I
Wait.
got, sir.
Yeah. Till Shivani. First unmute. I had muted you. What answer you got?
Sir,
Okay, Vidya. Yeah, Vidya,
okay,
go ahead.
sir.
What is answer?
Sir, there's written like to stop closing the bootstrap model when clicking outside using the
Yeah.
bootstrap, you have to add the bootstrap attribute with their relevant values as data backdrop is equals to static and data keyboard is equals to false to the button element that displays model pop-up on the click.
Sir, I am telling same thing.
One second. From where you got this answer?
Sir,
This much lengthy
Drupal
that
dot
is written.
com.
Tutorialdeep.com.
Sir, I got
Oh my God. That's why I thinking, why is she giving news type of reporter?
sir, I got
Okay.
from Drupal.com.
Okay. So see that answer itself. But when you going with suppose the JavaScript, this is jQuery actually. Sorry, yeah, jQuery. This is jQuery. If you want, you can write this also. And otherwise, see, if you are using data attributes, use this. Okay, means just normal with the button. What is there? Data toggle is already there. Then data backdrop, static, and data keyboard equal to false. That these two. Okay, so this way we can learn how we can search and what query you are passing in the Google. Then you are getting the answer. What I had written, how to stop modal pop-up dismiss when I click outside in Bootstrap. Then suddenly you will get somewhat suggestion. If suppose that is not good, then also when you writing, you will get some suggestion. Okay, after writing itself, you will get. Then you have to scroll, you have to search on the Stack Overflow. Then different is there. Many things are there. Then you will get the idea. Main thing you have to learn slowly how we can get the idea. Okay, recording is going on. Okay, fine. So next, see, I added that code already. Dharmender, Amardeep, everybody had given that answer. See here I added data toggle, sorry, data target. Where is that? Okay, I added in this one model case data keyboard equal to false and data backdrop equal to static. So once you click that button, then you will get this one. But due to data keyboard equal to false and data backdrop is static, let's verify. So submit button, it get open. Now click outside. Now see, it's not hiding, not even when you clicking. But when you click on mouse, means a button, it going to be hide. So this way we can prevent it from the outside clicking. Got it? VS Code full screen due to F11. Fine, Dharmender. Where is that chat window? So slowly now we have to learn how to search code in Google. Okay. Okay. So this way we can add a bootstrap. Then again another option is there, add animation. One class is there, that is dot fade. This will show you some dynamic effect. Let's see what it's going to do. So when you clicking, so see how this opening. Had you seen the effect? See this. It's not coming directly, it coming slowly, fading. Okay, so what is the class name? Just one class name, that is fade. That's all same. Then model size, you can increase and decrease, SM, LG, XL, whatever you want, you can. Then centered model, then you have to pass the center, means a model dialog, that's a center, it will come in the center. A scroll bar, again simple model dialog. Okay, you will get the scroll bar. Different things, properties are there, we can use that. Anybody have any issue in the case of model? So where they will use, we will use mostly in this type of scenario. Suppose you are submitting and you have to display something. So in place of a normal, what JavaScript code we had learned for that displaying any alert. What was the code? Can anyone?
Alert, sir.
Yeah. So here we can pass alert, and after that here we can pass any message. Correct. So right here, SUCC, ignore the spelling mistake. Success. So we got the pop-up message. In place of this type of dialog box, a plain, we can go with the model pop-up. Okay, and we can pass that. Got it? Anyone having any issue? Tell me. No issue? Fine. Next, tooltip. We're not using much more, but if you want, you can pass. Like when you putting the cursor over me. Okay. As like in CSS, which property it will work? With the help of which property we can do this one? Fast. What are the property name? Which
Titles.
CSS?
Abbreviation,
Title.
sir. ABBR.
What?
Title and ABBR, sir.
H over, sir. H over.
H over and then display block or inline. This is coming inline or block? Now
Inline, sir.
inline. When you going here, what is this one?
Block.
Block level. It become in the DOM. Correct. So this way we can do. And title, it's showing that whatever we had written, it's showing there. That's fine. But due to over property, it will work. So we can use anchor tag, then data toggle equal to tooltip. The class name here, and sorry, not class name. The property name here, we can take tooltip and we can pass whatever title you want. Okay. It's not much more useful, but we can use it. And here some code is written. This is JavaScript code. Okay. Actually, this is not JavaScript code. This is a jQuery code. Whenever you writing code like this type, then it is like a jQuery. It's not much more. Let it to be. Then it's become a small topic. That's it. So wherever, suppose that you have to show something design like this way, you can go with this. Okay. Means wherever like over property. Next, pop over. These all are basic, not useful. Just a model was useful. Remaining all are just normal. So pop over. What it going to do? Toggle pop over. Let's see. So when you clicking on this one, it going to open some model you can tell, or you can tell some message like that wherever you want. Okay. It pop over. But click on this. It opening right side. Means in which direction you want, as like a tooltip. It was clicking, it was getting open on mouse over property, but it not on that, it opening on clicking that one as like a button. Correct. So if you have to means, can anyone tell me where we can use? I have not much more idea regarding this one, where we can use. What are you thinking? Anywhere we can use this one? Because you also had designed many website. Anyone? No idea. Dharmender, any idea you have?
Sir, I can see, but I not remember, sir.
I have not seen even. Okay, so wherever you will mean say wherever it required, you can use, but it not required much more. Okay, but what is the use when you clicking it is showing that whatever message. But see, now it's coming normal. If you want decorative, that also we can do that. Okay, but here the same thing, pop over. It's not. Then again, different position is there. The same thing is going on like a data toggle, pop over, and data placement. In which direction you want? That is the thing. So let us see here itself. This normal things. So in which direction you want to display? According to display means a direction, you can go and pass that. So like a placement here we had pass right. This we can pass left, top, bottom, whatever you want. Okay. So this is bottom. This is top, and this is like a left side. Then this is the right side. So as in which direction you want, you can do that. So see, if this will be anchor tag, normal anchor, when we will click outside, it will go and hide, but it's not hiding. But when we will click on this, means it will working like a button type actually. When we clicking, then it's coming, clicking, hiding. Okay. Next, then closing pop over. Just you can go this one. That's not an issue. That's what is this toast. What it going to do? Where is that? 1 second, 1 second. Toast. Now you will think this all are looking same type, means like a model itself. 3 underscore toast toast dot html. Sorry, I not taken this one. Who is sleeping? Anyone? I think everybody slept.
Present, sir.
Somebody telling if you will take class night time, then what are you thinking? I will wake up. I think today Shivani had taken more chapati. That's why she is speaking too much.
नहीं बोलते तो
Shivani,
आप बोलते बोलते तो आप बोलते हैं
Shivani, how many roti you taken?
फिर आलू पूरी 3
3.
yes sir rule है only 3 मिलता है
उतना मगर पेट नहीं भरा तो
नहीं पड़ा तो हो गया वो सफिशिएंट रहता है जी उतना ही हम लोग फेंक देते हैं
नो
अच्छा
सर,
उतना ही
नाइट
तो
नाइट में हम ज्यादा ले सकते
देखिए ये पता चल रहा है कि शिवानी कुमारी ज्यादा खाती है शिवानी से।
हैं। हाँ सर, खाते हैं।
वो जानती है पूरा पैसा वसूल।
नो सर, जब
देखिए
अच्छा होता तो खा लेते हैं।
पीछे से नीतू भी चिल्ला रही है।
यस सर।
Okay, so what we had done here, JavaScript code is there.
Paratha done, sir.
What?
Paratha.
Second. पराठा तो वो तो और हल्ला करेगा पीछे से। धर्मेंद्र तो पूरा पार्टी में अभी।
Shweta, down your hand.
Yes, sir.
Sweta had fixed her head. She had fixed her. She had fixed her hand and she slipped.
Shweta,
So
she's
see.
not speaking.
No, sir, the hand is
She had
Shweta,
kept
down your
hand
hand.
like that.
Shivani.
She have a strong hand. Okay.
Yeah, Shweta,
She
down
have
your
not any.
hand.
Sir, that
So
that's
see.
proposed.
See, what is the use of toast? Anybody thinking that this is eating toast? This is not eating one, okay? So see, what is the use one? When we will click on this one, okay, within few seconds, it will auto hide. So click this, it getting auto hide. I'm not doing anything, but it going to auto hide. Just let me add some color there. Toast. Okay, let's go to the code. So what is the code? This is just normal button, class button is there, then ID is there. What is the use of ID? Can anyone? Here we have taken ID. Is there any reference? Yeah, reference is there. Done. Let it to be. You will not get that idea. But let it to be this script tag, not an issue. But here we can bg hyphen, sorry, bg hyphen dinge. Vidya, are you sleeping? Vidya got completely slept. Okay, that's fine. Go in the body, bg hyphen succ success. Let it to be. Yeah. So see, when we clicking on this one, what we getting? We getting some pop-up. Okay. But after few seconds itself, it going to hide. Can you tell me when we can use this one? Any idea? Any idea?
For notification
idea.
purpose.
Yeah, so for notification purpose, we can use that one. Okay, if you have to show user some warning, some message, that time you can use that one. Okay, I showing you that real example. For right now, just ignore this line of code. In the JavaScript, we will learn these all things. But for right now, just think regarding this one itself. And this is coming just a design. But when we are means here we had pass id equal to my btn. My btn actually it's targeting here. Okay, and due to that, the function click is coming. Means whenever we are clicking, that time it's working. Then one time toast, whatever toast is there, it going to be hide and one become so. Does anyone have connected repository? Okay, so here we got my button, then toast is there, then toast, show and hide. Two things is working. So if a toast will be hide, then this will show. If toast is hide, show, then it become hide. Means it will after some time it will get auto hide. Okay, so see here if we will click on this button, see we got some warning. Okay, and after few seconds it will get automatic closed. Okay, so suppose that you showing you passing any data like success message or anything, then you will get that means different design you can. Okay, so next, so the same thing we are getting here, it will go, it's showing some pop-up message and after some time it again going to dismiss. So that this way we can use warning success like that. Okay, so here after 5 minutes it will be muted, something like that. Then okay, then this will become finished, that's fine. Then a scroll spy. Had you got in toast something or not? Hello, had you got something in the case of toast? What we were doing here? So
Yes,
when you clicking this, it is showing some pop-up message and after some few seconds itself it will get hide. Okay, so whenever there will be requirement, you can go for that. Suppose that in this website, if we clicking, some pop-up message came, warning mandatory field is missing, and see, just left the button, don't do anything, it will auto hide after few seconds. It gone. So same thing we can do with the help of toast actually. Now Bootstrap for scroll spy, what is it going to do? Scroll spy is used to automatically update the link in a navigation list based on a scroll position. Means when we clicking that section 2, okay, it came on the section 2. When we going on the section 3, it came on section 3. But what it telling, when you will scroll, it will whatever section we will get here, it will auto update this also. Now which section is highlighted in the navigation bar? Sweta, which section is highlighting now?
3, sir, section 3.
3, section 3. So let's check. Let's move on the section 2. See, the section 2 area got started here itself. See
Yes.
that suddenly this color will change. Let's see. See the section 2 got area got started and suddenly the color get changed. Now section 1 area got started. Now see the section 1 got highlighted. So this way we can means suddenly the area will be got highlighted. Got the point? What is the use of this one? So this way. So if you will use a normal ID and class also, then also you will get this one. So what you have to do, you have to make your means whatever website you had done. After that, you have to design like this. Navigation bar is there, home, gallery, some section is there in one page itself, single page website itself. And when you scroll, it will have to auto update. Okay. So what is the that class name and what are the things there? So let's see. Body data hyphen spy. What is the things? Scroll. Fine. Then data target equal to dot nav bar. Dot navbar, this is a dot, means your somewhere class is there. So let's see where is the class. This is the class. This is the class. So I think this class they are representing because only single. Okay, because this is not that navbar class. This is navbar hyphen nav, that class. So it is representing this one. Correct or not? This navbar and this navbar, both targeting data target. Then data hyphen offset. Offset means what? In CSS, what was the offset? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the offset?
The border gap between two borders. Sir.
Okay. Okay. So offset means the space between the border and outline.
Yes.
Okay. That is offset. So offset become 50. It taken somewhat a space. Okay. Means when we are scrolling, it auto scroll. That time itself section got highlighted like that type. It going to work. Next, we taken fixed top. It going to fixed on the top. That's fine. Then navbar expand SM for the small area, means a smaller screen. BG dark, something background. Navigation bar. That's all are same navigation bar section. But who is the main? Which is the main thing? Main thing is data spy scroll and data target, because it have to show that which data, and data offset 50. Got it? This thing is the important in this one. Then next is again a horizontal type. So see in this section, section 2 came, then section 3, then section 4. Got it? So we are scrolling this section, and due to this scroll, this section got updating. Okay, this is nothing. This is just vertical. Clear or not? So again, data hyphen spy scroll, then data target equal to my that one, and offset equal to 1. And where is vertical? Vertical is somewhere. My pills active section fluid. That's not, I think pills flex column. This one. Okay. Then remaining all are same. Nothing is there. Normally you can take. Had you got some idea in the case of a scroll spy? What are you speaking? Okay, fine. Don't speak. Next, Bootstrap utilities. What it going to do? Here we going to create the border. As like CSS property, we can add here border. So how we can add? So we will take just class border. Due to the border class, we will got the border. But we not want border all side. As like margin padding, what we are doing? We taking empty padding for P and top for T, means PT, like that type. So here also we can take that one. So we can take border. Okay, which direction you want border? How much? I want border none, means no direction having border. That's why border become 0. Fine. I want border in the top. How much? 0. Then border right, border left, like this way. Go with the color. What is the thing? Border, which color and which side? Border primary we have taken. Then we taken border success. Then we taken border info. I think if we will take border top, border left, like this way, I think, I don't know whether that will work or not, but I think it have to work. Oh, mistake. Sorry, this one. Fine. Style. Is it compulsory to write a style in header section only?
In header section is compulsory. Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it compulsory to write a style in header section only, or anywhere we